Created by the Federal Probation Act of 1925, the United States probation system was overseen by the Department of Justice for its first 15 years. In 1940, the Conference of Senior Circuit Judges established the U.S. probation system as an integral part of the United States courts. United States probation appears to be the only law enforcement agency to have served two of our three branches of government. 2015 is the 75th anniversary of U.S. probation's service to the United States courts. Inspiration to commemorate this anniversary with a badge was born from an internal U.S. probation history project. The project has illustrated a rich history of badge design. Since a commemorative badge has never been produced for United States probation, many people were involved in amending the national policy to allow for this type of celebration. With the policy in place, it was time to design a badge that would represent the dedicated men and women of the United States probation system. Many design mock-ups were produced, and feedback was given by a small field office in the Western District of Michigan. A national vote took place. The winning design was inspired by a vintage U.S. Army Depot badge. It is distinctive due to the U.S. being at the top of the shield. The manufacturer, Collinson Enterprises, offer many finishes. A family-owned company dating back to the 1940s, Collinson's tradition of quality and custom design is manufactured in the United States. The final choice features antique and polished gold with polished rhodium panels. The manufacturing process begins with cutting the custom die using traditional and modern equipment and methods. Brass blanks over 1/10 of an inch thick are placed into a hydraulic press. The press applies 1,250 tons of pressure per square inch. A trim tool has been made to remove the excess material after the press has stamped the badge. In addition, a second set of tools pierce the spaces under the eagle's wings. After striking, trimming, and piercing, we have the raw finding. A carbon fixture is then placed on the back of the finding to position the catch, which has been coated with solder. The solder melts while passing through a 1600-degree oven, bonding the catch to the badge. The conveyor moves slowly at 3.5 inches per second through a nitrogen atmosphere in the oven. This melts the silver solder, removes any impurities, and cleans the badge. The badge then receives the first nickel-based electroplating. Electroplating is a process which uses an electrical current to transfer a layer of metal from one metal surface to another. This allows for the three finishes on the badge. A second plating is then applied. The letters US at the top and 75 years in the banner receive blue epoxy with a fine tip syringe. The base badge is then given a polish in preparation for receiving the panels in mini badge. The badge panels in mini badge center are also struck from copper. The panels are then plated in rhodium, which is polished to a mirror-like finish. The mini badge receives polished gold plating to match the full-size badge it represents. A strong adhesive is used to attach the panels and mini badge to the base badge. A final coat of epoxy is applied to the badge, and it is finally ready for a custom presentation box. This example is paired with a custom lapel pin and coin.